divorce, adoption, name change, separation, annulment. Now, if you just wait 180 days for this prenuptial and all these services in this particular area, just wait 180 days, and then you're going to get this all inclusive with that $37.95 as well. Now, you may have to pay some filing fees, but I'd much rather pay the filing fees than pay on top of that, pay the attorney fees on top of that. And then we're going to set you up with a second telephone number. This is a 24-hour hotline. So this hotline, you're going to be able to pick up the phone and call your law firm 24/7, 365 days a year. It doesn't matter if it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday or 4 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, like happened to me one time. Ironically enough, I was heading out of state. I had to be somewhere at 9 a.m. So at 4 o'clock in the morning, I got pulled over, and the officer came back to my car for speeding, and then he knocked on my window and he went, "Miss Kramer, you need to step out of the car. We have a warrant out for your arrest." I was floored, but I immediately was able to call my lawyer, get him on the phone in 90 seconds or less, which is a long time in the middle of nowhere. But I was able to allow the attorney to talk to the officer in charge, and they diffused the whole scenario, which means I didn't get my car didn't get towed in. I didn't have to pay to get it out of hock. And then I didn't go to jail and wait to see the judge 3 days later either. So if you're being pulled over and you're being questioned, detained, or arrested, you can call your attorney. And this right here is just absolutely priceless. Now, you can also call the attorney on this hotline just in case Child Protective Services comes knocking at your door as well. So you want to have a lawyer in that place, or if you're in a horrific accident.